afternoon, Dr. Sitaraman.
Good afternoon.
The banking sector is witnessing significant technological developments, and today we'd like to focus on this. What are the technology trends in the GCC banking sector?
The technology trend in the GCC banking sector has been prolific, to say the least. The convergence of banking and technology is visible. We are seeing new generation customers are demanding online services, online buying and selling through products like Doha Souk, internet banking, mobile banking, GPRS technology, bank on wheels. Mobile computing is becoming very popular, and tablet is being used everywhere. Internet connectivity is there, Wi-Fi is there, so online real-time banking is taking place 24/7, anywhere, anytime. Access is available to customers for banking. Institutions who have realized this have made it possible to give the customer the convenience and gain market share.
So how should banks adopt themselves to tablet banking, and what do you think are the challenges that we face?
They have to adopt. It's the customer. Customer wants the convenience. If any international institution is going to provide or local bank is going to provide, you have to provide. That's what the change is all about. Institutions who have taken a primary move will take lead in the market share, gaining market share. That's what has happened. Doha Bank, for example, SMS banking, web banking, mobile, we are the first one to pronounce way back in 2002. That has gained huge amount of market share. Whatever we have innovated, somebody will replicate at some point of time, but we keep innovating. That's what our strength is all about. And challenge, if you look at it, you need to standardize the whole pattern. You need to make sure there is definite digital devices which are upgraded, latest technology is put in place, all the channels are unified in terms of simplification of the message. And that's what we try to do. Whether it's Android device or ISO, Apple, iPad, you need standardization in substance.
Many banks are now moving to hybrid environments, including cloud computing. Could you give us your insights on cloud computing and the benefits that they provide?
There's a huge amount of opportunity. Cloud computing today is moving in the right direction. If you look at a bigger picture, now whether it is a platform or business process or software, you need cloud technology. Institutions, global institutions like Google, Amazon, Yahoo, they're all using cloud computing. They're secured in multiple sockets, and they have firewalls. They have clearly storage wise, it's cost efficient, and it is easy access. At the same time, controls are not compromised. So that is the level of change we are seeing. Everything put it on the cloud, you have unlocking potential to make sure everything becomes virtual. Operational becomes more meaningful, and transparency comes in when it comes to overall security. That's the method now. That's the way forward, to say institutions who are not following cloud technology will lose in terms of competitive cost as well as values.
Could you tell us a little about cloud service models and deployment models?
Multiples, private, public and hybrid. See, governments can get into cloud model. At the same time, they have to secure the information in a much intricate level. Private, you can have your own virtual private network through cloud, and clearly governing evidence is to have access at any time, anywhere in the world. And hybrid is a combination of both. You have access by private citizen as well as public. So the information net is available for everyone. But at the same time, controls are not compromised. These are the various models which are evolving, and it's tested and proven. Nowadays, with the growing government focusing on modeling everything in terms of virtualization, cloud computing in multiple forms is very useful for overall administration.
So what do you think are the challenges that cloud computing implementation will bring in?
You have to necessarily understand the intricacy of it. Governance becomes more meaningful if you understand the financial literacy is to come in, technology literacy has to come in, security literacy has to come in to govern cloud computing. We also have to necessarily realize we have to have unification and standardization in the process. And again, making sure adequate capacity built up is done in cloud computing. You can't have short-term focus. You need to invest on cloud computing, business process getting updated, software getting updated, storage as a platform and in terms of virtual service is getting upgraded. So those are the nuances which you have to make sure there is a policy, there is a process, and it is practiced in substance.
Thank you for this informative session, Dr. Sitharaman.
My pleasure. Thank you.